Hey everyone! Is your car experiencing hard shifting, sudden loss of power, or even getting stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0798, Pressure Control Solenoid C Electrical, it means there's a problem with the transmission's pressure control system. This can lead to serious performance issues, but don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0798 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components responsible for this issue so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0798? The P0798 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an electrical fault in Pressure Control Solenoid C. This solenoid regulates hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, ensuring smooth shifting. When this solenoid fails, fluid pressure gets disrupted, causing harsh shifting, overheating, and even limp mode. Symptoms of P0798 include hard or erratic gear shifts, delayed acceleration or slipping gears, transmission overheating, check engine light and transmission warning light, poor fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0798. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0798, check these key components. Pressure Control Solenoid C. Location: inside the transmission valve body, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module TCM. Location: usually found on the transmission case, near the battery, or under the dashboard. Function: sends commands to the solenoids to adjust transmission pressure. Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor. Location: on the transmission housing near the valve body. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure and reports to the TCM. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the TCM and solenoids inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0798, faulty Pressure Control Solenoid C. The solenoid may be shorted, stuck, or burned out. Transmission fluid issues. Dirty, low, or contaminated fluid can block solenoids. Wiring or connector problems. Corroded or broken wires disrupt electrical signals. Defective Transmission Control Module TCM. The TCM may be failing to communicate with the solenoid. Blocked or dirty valve body. Dirt buildup restricts fluid movement. Internal transmission issues. Worn clutch packs or seals affecting pressure regulation. How to fix P0798. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the proper level. Replace if dirty. Step 2. Inspect Pressure Control Solenoid C. Use a multimeter to test for electrical faults. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wiring between the TCM and solenoid. Step 4. Test the Transmission Control Module TCM, scan for additional codes and reset if needed. Step 5. Clean the valve body, remove any debris or blockages. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. A P0798 solenoid issue can lead to serious transmission damage if ignored. Checking the solenoid, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0462, fuel level sensor circuit low. Input P0463, fuel level sensor circuit high input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.